Are you curious what's happening here in the Lake Norman area in the real estate market as the summer's coming to the end? Well, give me the next 5 minutes. I'm going to break down the key metrics you need to know. And if you like to check out the value of your home, go down in the comments below and you'll find a link, and that will give you an instant update on your home. If you don't know me, my name is Sean Herndon, and I've helped buyers and sellers transact millions of dollars in real estate all around Lake Norman. Sellers work with me because we market homes unlike anyone else. And buyers work with me because I can bring them opportunities other agents just can't find. There's a lot of factors impacting the housing market right now, and I'm going to touch on each one of these and include what's been happening locally here in Lake Norman. So first, we are, of course, an election year. A few things to note. First, we typically see a sharper drop in home sales between October to November compared to a normal year. Now, right now, we are still in a relatively low inventory environment. So if you are a buyer, just know that you will have even fewer options in October and November compared to right now. Sellers, this could be an opportunity for you. You may have even less competition in October, November, which could help drive up your prices. Now, here's the other thing to know. In December, those lost sales are typically recovered. See, real estate is kind of like an iPhone. Let me explain. Say the economy weakens and people decide to tighten up their spending. They stop going out to eat, no more Starbucks, and they just don't buy that new iPhone. Well, when the market improves, they go out and buy that iPhone. The purchase isn't skipped, it's just delayed. Those skipped Starbucks lattes aren't recovered. I don't double up my coffee to make up for the ones I didn't buy last month. Well, unless I really had a long night last night. So, does that make sense? Now, in December, it may be a busy month. The other good news about election years, home sales went up after 9 of the 11 presidential elections. So if you are on the fence as a buyer, you may want to take that in consideration. Now, the other factor is, of course, interest rates. Back in October, rates were hovering around 8%, and the market really slowed down. We've been hovering in that 7% range for a while, and over the last week or so, we were bouncing in the 6.4, 6.5 range. Now, rate relief will drive demand, and there's a high likelihood that those rates will come down more in September. This is really good news overall, and especially for the markets that are under 1 million, which has more impact, by the interest rates than the market that is over 1 million. Around the lake, prices have, on average, appreciated under 1 million. However, these increases have been less than the homes that are over 1 million. For example, in Mooresville, homes over 1 million are up 5% on average compared to 3.5% that are under 1 million. In Huntersville, prices under 1 million are actually down 7.67 over the last 12 months, and homes over 1 million are up 8.4%. Here's the other thing to know. New listings are up quite a bit compared to the same time last year. Now, if you look at homes under 1 million, the activity is up in all towns, with Cornelius seeing a 47.4 jump. Now check these new listings over 1 million. All but Cornelius are way up in new listings activity over 1 million. The demand for luxury homes has remained strong. In fact, more homes over 1 million listed in Mooresville than ever before. Now, on average, days on market is up in both segments, though not as much for homes over 1 million. More good news? Well, pending sales are up significantly in July compared to the same time last year for homes under 1 million. So the bottom line is that interest rate relief is likely to have a positive impact on demand, especially under 1 million. And we are likely to see a decline in activity from October to November, but with a likely bounce in December. The luxury market continues to see a strong demand as those buyers are less impacted by interest rates. So again, if you'd like to learn more about an updated value for your home, go down in the comments below and click on the link where you can get an instant update from me.